Okay, so that's a great question. So what she's talking about is on my formula for counting windows is like I use $350 per window to replace the window. So when I go through the property, I count how many windows do I see, right? How many average size windows, right? So these would be a little bit bigger than the average size window, but still not that big that I have to double the value on it. But now you look at that window there, that's obviously bigger than the average size window. So how many windows would you say would fit into that space, average size windows?
Three.
I'd say 3 to 4, because look at how tall it is. Right, so I just throw it as 4 windows, is what I did. Right, so my count is 4 windows times my $350 a window is what, about $1,500 for that window. Which if you custom ordered a window, that's about what you're going to spend, is about $1,500 to $2,000 to have that window, a new one, put in there. Now you might be able to keep this window and not have to do anything and just refinish it and then just replace the rest of the windows. That's one of those, if the window is in good enough condition, it might be more cost effective to just refinish that one, but then replace all the rest of them.